children, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is our forest. So in this chapter, we will study about forest, natural vegetation, different types of forest, wildlife and conservation of forest and preservation of wildlife. As you all know, nature has given us many gifts. Some of them are sun, air, water, soil, minerals, animals and plants. These gifts are known as natural resources. इन्हें हम natural resources कहते हैं. And natural vegetation or forest, these are the important gift of nature. So, we have natural vegetation which covers 23% of land of India. We get many invaluable things like wood, timber, resin, honey, bamboo, cane, lac, grasses, herbs. From these forests, apart from providing us with many invaluable things, forest also helps us in many ways. In the hilly areas, forest help in soil conservation. They check erosion, what they provide, cool and fresh air. Why? Because climate कैसा हो जाता है, cool हो जाता है और pleasant हो जाता है. And they are also very good natural shelter for the area of India is covered by forest of the Himalaya and the Western Ghats, northeastern hills, highlands of central India, Tara region and Sundarban belt. These invaluable forests, what it's do, it's also control flood. ये flood को control करता है, dust storm को control करता है, right? So types of forest, we have evergreen, deciduous, coniferous, thorn forest and tidal forest. First of all, we have evergreen forest. So, in the hot and rainy part of our hills, particularly hilly region, जो forest है वो कैसा रहता है? Green रहता है throughout the year. The trees in the forest never shed their leaves, hence they are called evergreen forest. India, we find them in the Western Ghats and Northeast India. Common trees जो आपको देखने को मिलेंगे evergreen forest में वो है आपका mahogany or rosewood. Then we have deciduous. The leaves of the trees of this forest fall during summer month. They start to shed towards the beginning of summer. जब beginning हो जाती है ना summer की तो उनकी झड़ने लग जाती है. And it is called monsoon forest. These forests आपको southern plateau या फिर जो foot hills हैं हिमालयस के वहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे. Like teak, sisam, sal and saku. Deciduous forests, they are found when? In the temperate region of the. Next is coniferous. ये आपको Himalayan region में देखने को मिलते हैं. इनके कॉन्स होते हैं. Why? Because it covers very large area and the tree bears cones and pointed leaves. They grow very tall and they have soft wood like chiras, deodar. Now thorn forest, जिसमें कांटे होते हैं. Mainly they are found in the desert areas like cactus, like babool, kikar. These all are the thorn forest. Where do we find them? In the Rajasthan, in southern plateau और कुछ part of पंजाब में मिलते हैं. Why? Because water की scarcity है यहाँ पे, कमी है पानी की. And trees which grow here can survive without water for a long period of time. लंबे टाइम के लिए survive करते हैं. Babool and kikar are the. Then we have tidal forest, which is found in the marshy lands of delta. In the Ganga Delta region, tidal forests are called Sundarban. We have Mahanadi Delta, northeastern coast of Tamil Nadu, have tidal forests like mangrove and sundari. These are the common tidal forests that you find here, right? It is named, जो Sundarban Delta है ना, आपका वो Sundari tree के नाम पे रखा गया है. Wildlife. Forests contain within themselves a variety of wildlife. They are parcel of our forest. So, we find rhinoceros, elephant, tiger. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हमें देखने को मिलते हैं. बंगाल टाइगर जो है वो होम है किसका? सुंदरबन में. डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट वो आपको क्या व्हाट दे गिव्स? लेपर्ड, बियर, वाइल्ड बुफेलो, बोर्स, टाइगर की फॉरेस्ट ऑफ गुजरात फेमस है लायंस के लिए. यहाँ पे आपको लार्ज वैरायटी ऑफ फिश, बर्ड, स्नेक, पाइथन्स ये देखने को मिलते हैं. नाउ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ वाइल्ड Conservation of forests is important to have at least 1/3 of an area covered with forest. But India hardly has even 1/4 area covered with forest. So the reason for this is population and poverty in the country. So what people use? Timber to build their homes. And it becomes necessary that the way the trees are being cut, जिस तरीके से पेड़ों को काटा जा रहा है, and they should be grown to. भाई जैसा आप काट रहे हो उसको उगाना भी है. Today, people are even prepared to lay their lives to conserve forest. You must have heard about Chipko movement. The people taking part in this movement cling to the trees trunks to prevent them from being cut down. जिससे हम उनको बचा सके. ऐसे करके movements ने क्या करा? Trees को hold कर दिया, जिससे उनको वो बचा पाए. Other movement also started. One Mahotsav, another step towards conservation of forestry. People, they are encouraged to plant trees in their towns, cities, villages, along railway lines and along the sides of roads. The Van Mahotsav is celebrated at the beginning of rainy season. Rainy season के beginning में ये आपका देखने को मिलता है. Then we have preservation of wildlife. Because of the rich wildlife, India attracts lot of tourists. Wildlife was decreasing in number due to hunting. Some people hunt for the skin of animal. It is very expensive. Today, no one is allowed to hunt. And आज के टाइम में आपने देखा होगा animals को मारने ban भी करा है. And it is it is restricted also. And these restricted areas are called sanctuaries. And they are protected forests. और जो आपके Indian government है, it's making efforts also to conserve the wildlife and some famous sanctuary like Kaziranga in Assam, Corbett National Park in Uttar Pradesh, Kanha in MP, Ghana in Rajasthan, Gir in Gujarat and Periyar in Kerala. These wildlife sanctuaries has been made so that we can preserve the different animals. So last, check your understanding. You can do at your home. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Hope you understood each and everything. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.